What up, YouTube? It's your girl Tay, and I'm back with another banger. So as y'all can tell by that title, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, I am about to be breaking timer, and I am about to be like crying with like why the door is locked, y'all. I seen this video on YouTube and I want to try it out. I want to see like how much do he care about me. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to just be crying with the door locked, y'all, to get timer reaction. I just put my daughter on the bus. It's like 8:10 in the morning. He's still sleeping, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to just be, like, y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do. But I got the camera set up as good as I can to point like to my bathroom and stuff like that. So if the angle a little off, just know y'all still will see when he come to the door and stuff, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notification bells so you can notify whenever your girl posts. And y'all, I've been back to back with my bangers. So y'all, let's go ahead and get your girl to 2K, period. Let's go and get this video started. Let's go.
You know I'm the face of the city, bitch. That's why you mad. Little bitch,
What's going on? Huh? Yo. What's going on? Hey. Yo. Yo. What's going on? Huh? Yo. What's going on? Hey. Bro.
I don't want to be here no more.
Wow. What happened? Hmm? What happened?
I don't like this life.
Wow, what happened? Babe, what happened? Hmm? Tell me what's going on. What happened? Babe. What happened? Somebody did something to you? What happened? Huh? Babe.
I don't like this life.
Huh? Tell me what's going on. You hear me? Babe. Babe.
I'm about to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
No, you're not. What happened? Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on. Hey, come here.
I don't like this life.
Why? Talk to me.
Man.
What happened?
I'm ready to go.
Wow. What happened? Hey. What happened?
Man.
What happened? Why? What happened? You gotta tell me why. Why?
I don't want to be here.
What? What's going on? Hey. Hey. For what? What's going on? Huh? Babe. Oh, man. Babe. Babe. What's going on? Open the door. Open the door. Open it. Open the door. I'm getting. Babe, what's wrong?
No!
Open the door. Open it. Open the door. Hey, come here. What's wrong? Babe, come here. What's wrong? What happened? Why you want to be here?
I don't want to be here.
Why?
It's time to go.
Why? Come here. Yo, open the door. Open the door.
I'm about to just take me out.
No.
Here.
Why?
It's time to go.
Why? Yo.
I'm about to just take me out.
Open the door.
It's
You're not. Open the door. Come on, babe. Come on, for real. Open the door. Open the door.
It's time to turn it on. I'm
Babe.
taking myself out. I'm about to drown.
No, you're not. Open the door. Open the door. Babe.
It's time to go.
No, you're not going. I'm not playing.
911 right now.
Open the door.
Drown.
Open the door. Open the door. Babe.
It's time to
You're
go.
not going.
Call 911 right now.
I'm not playing. I'm not.
I'm about to go.
I'm not. Open the door.
It's time to go.
Open the door.
I'm about to go and get in.
Open the door.
I'm about to get in. Time to go.
Open it. Come on. I'm not playing. You better not.
I'm about to go.
I'm out calm. Yo, you're not going. I'm still gonna make sure I get that. Make sure I get in that bathroom. I'm out of call. Open the door. Open the door.
It's time to go.
Open the door.
I'm about to go and get in.
Open the door.
I'm about to get in.
I'm calling.
Time to go.
Open it. I'm out calling. Hey, open the door. Come on. Come on.
Look.
Really? You playing at different places, like.
Oh shit.
I in different spots. I do this in the team tank.
No, cause why would you really think I was finna take me out? Why would I do that and I got kids to live for?
I woke up.
And I'm still young as fuck. Yes, it was meant for you to wake up out your sleep. I was crying with the door locked and acting like I was gonna take myself out.
You woke me up. I didn't know what it was. I heard slamming. I'm like, what the fuck happened? I just heard it slam. I'm like, what the heck happened?
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I am out because this video is... I got him done. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below, T. I know y'all gonna be cracking up at me because, babe, I was in the bathroom. Every time I started crying, I started dancing. Like, I know they finna be cracking up at me. Because I was doing some funny shit. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And let's go ahead and end this banger video, y'all. Yeah. Bye.
You know I'm the face of the city, bitch. That's why you mad.